let's get going. Okay, close your eyes, buddy. Good job. Oh, amazing. You're going to make the best tiger ever. Yeah, that's part of the top of his eyes. Yeah. Luca, that's very good observation. Hey, Luca, do you know what happens if you bump the chair and you swing off the chair like that? Can you guess what could happen?
On your head.
Oh, it wobbles the face paint, so let's try not to do that. Yeah, try not to touch the chair, my darling, okay? Well done.
What are you going to be, Jack? A tiger.
He's going to be a cool tiger.
I got it.
So amazing.
A big tiger. Massive tiger. Yeah.
It's going to be a cool tiger, Jack. You're going to say roar. Are you going to want a super soaker balloon? Yeah. They are so fun. All right, super still. Close your eyes. Okay. Good job.
Tiger?
All right.
What about the tiger? I like the tiger.
Okay, buddy. Now close your eyes really still, okay?
Or you can go after this next little one. Batman? You want Batman? Okay, you go wait your turn over here. You just have to wait here, though.
Oh, guys, you can write your name down.
And then when Jack finishes...
You can write your
Jack,
name down
that's
here.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, and then that way I'll call you on the big megaphone. So good that way.
She's gonna call
Okay,
your name
buddy,
when it's your
super
turn.
still, super still.
Right? Go play in the park and she'll call you when it's your turn.
Yes. He's only a tiger.
Do you want to write your name on the list too? The lady said you write your name on the list and then she calls out.
Yep.
Do you want to write his name on? Yeah. Oh, sorry.
A big
And then she'll call out.
Good tiger, isn't he? He's going to be so scary.
Is he gonna be a real one?
No. Good job, buddy. You're amazing at sitting still. Okay. Now I'm going to do your feline nose. Just like a tiger. Do you want some big teeth on your tiger?
Yeah.
Big scary teeth?
Yeah.
Amazing.
But only pretend teeth.
Yeah, they're pretend teeth. They're not real, buddy.
Why I put it by an eye? Yes.
So Luca, you're gonna be next. I'll let Jack
Okay, buddy, super still. Oh, try not to smudge it.
My teeth.
Okay, super still, buddy.
Oh, you choose minions. It's pretty good.
Good job. Okay, almost there, buddy. Looks awesome, buddy. Okay, super still. Kissy face, kissy face. Here you go. For real. Amazing. Would you like to have a look in the mirror, Jack? Check it out, Jack. Do you love it? High five, buddy. Amazing.